Dali, pakita ka na.
Hey!
Nalala ba kayo? Ano oras?
We're in Roselle's house right now. I'm Marla. I'm Charmaine. How you guys doing? We're doing good. And we're watching Paranormal right now. Look.
I have a dog on my head.
So yeah, just showing you some of our faces.
Ikaw mo, sir, pandami nating mukha.
Yeah.
Kutsara ba to? Yeah, that's a spoon. Here,
I love you! I love you, baby ko! I love you, Miss Tituk! I love you so much! I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Oh! Oh, sino show the spoon? Oh. Hindi pa naman eh.
Sige, sige.
Okay, wait.
At ino, parang babae yung kamay ko sa camera.
Wait, look. In the house, everything is big. Look, this is the spoon.
You could see, you could think it's a serving spoon.
Okay, pass you off.
Akala ko, ano siya, sandok.
I love you, Genesis Tituk! I love you so much!
Love you, Arden. Ah, just kidding.
Okay, bye!